Let's talk about that left sidebar. This is where you'll spend a lot of your time managing teachers, students, classes, and conflicts. You've got tabs along the left: teachers, students, class library, selected class, and conflicts. Let's walk through each one. Click on the Teachers tab. You'll see two subtabs, Main Teachers and Substitute Teachers. Everyone you've added shows up here. Click on a teacher, let's say Miss Sarah. Watch what happens on the calendar. All her classes light up. This is called Teacher View. Super useful when you want to see someone's full schedule at a glance or check if they're available at a certain time. Here's a cool shortcut. If you got a class with no teacher assigned, you can drag a teacher tile directly from this list into that class card on the calendar. To add a teacher, click Open Manager. That takes you back to the Studio Hub we used earlier. Every teacher gets a color automatically. This color shows up on their classes if you're using Color by Teacher mode in your settings. You can also color by style, by level, or just custom colors for each class. Pick whatever works for you. It's the same idea here in the Students tab. You've got your full student list. To assign students to classes, just drag student tiles into the class you want. Even better, you can multi-select students. Hold Shift or Command Control and click multiple names, then drag them all as a stack into a class. Super fast for enrolling a whole group at once. In the class library, this shows every class you've created. You'll see an Edit button if you want to change details, a Delete button if you need to remove a class entirely, and of course, you can drag any class from here directly onto the calendar to schedule it. The Selected Class tab is a bit different. It's not always showing. It only activates when you click on a class in the calendar. When you do, this tab opens up and shows you all the details for that class. You can edit everything right here. Change the teacher, adjust the time, update notes, without opening a big modal. There's a Remove button that clears the class from the calendar but keeps it in your library, so if you placed something by mistake or want to reschedule it later, just remove it. It's not deleted, just unscheduled. You can also lock the class in place. When locked, it can't be accidentally moved or deleted. Great for classes that are absolutely set in stone. All your edits here save automatically. No save button needed. Next is the Conflicts tab. It only lights up when there's a problem. When ClassFlo detects a conflict like a double booked teacher, a room overlap, or a student in two places at once, this tab opens automatically and shows you what's wrong. At the top, you'll see the total count of visible conflicts. Below that are two filter chips, Critical and Warnings. Critical conflicts are things that must be fixed. Double bookings, major overloads. Warnings are significant but not fatal, like back-to-back classes with no break. Click those buttons to toggle what you see. Both are on by default, but if you only want to focus on must-fix issues, turn off warnings temporarily. Scroll down and you'll see conflicts grouped by type. Teacher conflicts, room conflicts, student conflicts, capacity issues. Let's expand teacher conflicts. It tells me exactly which classes are involved and what the problem is. Click on any conflict and watch. The affected classes on the calendar light up with a glowing highlight. The calendar smoothly scrolls to center on them so you can see exactly what's overlapping. The glow pulses a few times, then fades. For student conflicts, they're grouped by which classes are involved. Click to expand and you'll see exactly which students are enrolled in which classes. This makes it way easier to understand the scope and fix it efficiently. That's the Sidebar, your command center. Get comfortable here. You'll be using it constantly. In the next video, we'll automate your scheduling with the Schedule Helper.